Have you ever wondered how e-commerce businesses manage the challenges of maintaining strong, lasting relationships with their customers? Enter the world of customer relationship management, or CRM, a tool of paramount importance that e-commerce businesses employ to not only build these relationships, but also nurture and sustain them over time. One of the core features of e-commerce CRM is customer profile management. Imagine a repository where all vital information about a customer resides: their contact details, purchase history, preferences, and even how they interact with your brand. A place where every piece of data is meticulously stored and managed. Next, we have contact and lead management. It's like a well-oiled machine that tracks leads and contacts through the intricate maze of the sales and marketing funnel. It trails them from the moment they become aware of your brand to conversion and even beyond. An equally important feature is order history and tracking. This gives you a comprehensive view of a customer's order history, making order tracking and status updates a breeze. Segmentation and targeting, on the other hand, allow you to divide your customer base into various segments. Be it demographics or purchase history, this feature ensures that your marketing campaigns hit the bullseye every time. Now, who doesn't love a personal touch? With personalization, you can deliver bespoke product recommendations, content, and promotions based on a customer's behavior and preferences. The CRM system also integrates seamlessly with email marketing platforms, enabling you to create and send targeted email campaigns, newsletters, and transactional emails. But what about when things go south? Customer support and ticketing come to the rescue. This feature ensures all customer inquiries and issues are managed efficiently, guaranteeing timely responses and resolutions. The customer communication history maintains a record of every interaction with customers. Be it email communications, chat logs, or call records, it's all there. Our CRM system also integrates with social media platforms, allowing you to monitor and engage with customers and integrate social data into customer profiles. Feedback and reviews management, multi-channel support, customer loyalty programs, marketing automation, analytics and reporting, integration with e-commerce platform, mobile access, AI and predictive analytics, inventory and product management, workflow automation, customer surveys and feedback and scalability. These are just a few of the other exciting features of our e-commerce CRM system. In conclusion, e-commerce CRM systems are more than just a tool. They are a lifeline for managing and enhancing customer relationships, boosting sales, and improving the overall shopping experience. So why wait? It's time to transform your e-commerce business with the DBLB CRM. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to the DBLB tech team. They're just an email or phone call away. Embrace the future of e-commerce today with DBLB Tech.